All right, what I'm going to try to do with this video is to install LaTeX on my home Macintosh. I only use Mac, so if you use a PC, you're kind of on your own with this task. Hopefully it's not too dissimilar. Also, I'm going to start from scratch. This is a computer that its hard drive died over the summer. I used to have LaTeX on it. I haven't installed it in a few years. Hopefully I know what I'm doing enough to have this be useful to you. We'll find out. And like I said, I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm actually going to go to the Link 341 homepage, which you have a link to already through the syllabus. And there's a link there under the Links tab to download and install LaTeX. So I'm going to click on that, and it will take me to the LaTeX project homepage, which for some reason has a hummingbird logo. What I want to do is not be fooled by the easy ad there. I'm going to go get LaTeX and get the MacTeX distribution. So yeah, there's the Windows option, there's a Linux option if you have those sorts of operating systems. I use a Mac, like I said, so we'll see where this goes. So we're going to click on the next page. We're going to click on MacTeX download. This requires an operating system of 10.10 or higher. So what I believe is that I'm actually somewhat newer than this. I'm actually tend to be really conservative with my operating systems, but when this thing died, I had to get a new one. So we should be okay. And I don't think it's downloading yet, so I might just have to click on this, save it, and we can have the excitement of watching this for the next 48 minutes. I don't think I'm going to do that, so I'm going to just pause this right here and wait until it's done.